Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments notifications in WordPress website. So friends, firstly sign in your WordPress website and after go to dashboard. Then scroll down and move your cursor to settings and here is the option discussion. So just click on it. Now scroll down. Here is the option email me whenever anyone posts a comment, so uncheck this one. A comment is held for moderation, so uncheck this one. So you need to uncheck this both box, scroll down and click on save changes. So that's it. Friends, by this easy and very simple setting, you can turn off comment notifications in WordPress. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.